Let's break the answer for this question. Okay, S4 HANA question, how to control number ranges for business partner configuration. So we got all these options. Account group wrong because account group for in ECC, it is going to control the partners number ranges. Okay, but it is going to control your vendor or customer, whatever the partner types you defined in that place. It is going to control at sub level, but not directly business partner. But business partner number range will be controlled by another entity. We are going to come to know. Partner determination is wrong. Business partner type is wrong. BB category is wrong. Multi-address functionality is the functionality which is exists for. Whereas the ECC you will have a single address. Here you can able to maintain multiple address. It is nowhere related. Business partner grouping, this is the right answer. Here is the place the group will control for business partner number ranges. F is the right answer. G and O, it's a absolutely wrong answer. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 770 plus videos. I'm holding 5,846 students. If you really wanted to get into the SAP SD, this is the right course, 4.4 hours rating with 112 hours and 422. All these are the different courses. I specifically recommend these two courses. This is for idoc training, and this is getting master to write functional specification. If you really wanted to become an expert in pricing, you can able to give a try for these two courses. This is one of my top course, more than 2,000 plus students I'm holding. So all these are the different courses. If you really wanted to enjoy my sessions, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.